technician or air conditioning technician. We are here to introduce one of the trouble of air conditioning unit, because this is my daily task. So I perform checking of all the refrigeration air conditioning outdoor unit. So as you can see, the RPM of this unit is good. The condenser fan motor is running in good condition. We are going here in another unit because this is part of my observation. This unit is running in low RPM. So all of these two units is running in low revolution per minute. So maybe there is a problem in the system or in the supply of the electric. So we need to open this one, because when the outer unit is running the fan motor, also the compressor is running, but the situation now is the motor is running slowly, but the compressor is not running. So we will check if this is maybe there is a problem in a connection or single phasing, running in single phasing, because this unit is 3-phase. So we will check now. We will check. I remove this. Okay. As you can see, the contactor is energized. The contactor is energized. So the compressor is humming, meaning there is a problem in the supply connection here. We will get the tester and my tools. We will perform a live checking if there is a live supply, power supply in the resource source. So it's very difficult to handle this phone. We will put here. Multi-sister, so we will set voltage. So I pick the power supply with this single phasing running, or there is a voltage in all. is a problem in the power supply because in line 1, line 2 have 227 volts. Line 1, line 3 have 127 only. And line 1, line 2, line 3 is 96 volts. So there is a problem in power supply. So we have to do is stick to the power supply. We will show you. I will show you the actual very difficult to check here. Alright, here. So this is very clear. Line 1, line 2 having 226 voltage. So line 1, line 2, this is incoming supply to the contactor from the source. Line 1, line 2 is 227. Line 1, line 3, there is 130 volts. And line 2, line 3, line 2, line 3 is only 97 volts. So here output source to the supply to the compressor is 97 volts, 98. The same reading in an incoming and outgoing. So low voltage, and this is line 1, line 3 is the source going to the fan motor is 130 volts only, meaning 130 volts only the supply of fan motor. And this line 1 and line 3, this is the source of supply 220 going to the fan motor and the condenser fan motor. That's why the running of fan motor is slowly. So there is a problem and source. We will go to a main source. So from here, the power supply, we will check this breaker. Oh no, there is a burn contact. So see, line 1, line 2 is damaged or already burned. Line 3 is good. So we will check this source and we will fix because there is burn. So now we know the problem is here. That's connection, that is the cause of burn terminal connection. We will shut off. We will shut off this line. Actually, this status of contactor breaker I mean breaker, it's need to replace, but it's a long time to order, to request, so we will fix. We have to be careful because this is having a power supply at the above of the source, and this below is we don't, because we don't have a power supply here because this is already off. So we will fix, or I will fix. Do this electrical work, you have a safety first. You must be careful while you are doing electrical job. So we don't have gloves. So must be we have a gloves. So we don't have. So now we must be careful. Because we are tapping an electrical light, so we need to already this is job is already safe because I already off the power source, so the source without supplying outgoing. one trouble of air conditioning. It's easy if you know the flow of electrical connection. There's a problem, and you can find out because as your observation during the running of unit, you can found out if there is a problem while it's running. So upon my checking, I found one motor is running in low RPM. It means there's a problem in the system. The power supply. So it's easy to troubleshoot if you know the malfunction of the motor. That is the one source. So your this compressor is not running because it's the supply is low voltage. So the three-piece motor is cannot run in low voltage. Maybe if this continues running, it will cause the high amperage of the motor, or it will burn and then damage. Because the motor compressor, while running in low voltage or single phase, it will cause the winding to become hot, and then the insulation is melt, or the winding is will become shorted. So that is the cause of compressor burn motor. This is the very important while you are in the workplace, to regular visiting of your designated area to check all of the air conditioning running in good condition. So you perform immediately repair. Part of my job. This is the part of my job to conduct every routine checking. So we will perform immediately the repair. This situation is very important to report to the supervisor, because they must know the situation is happening in their air conditioning. So I report it later. They will report what is happening in their units. So we will fix now. Alright, so we finished here. So we need to energize this unit. This supply having 220 volts in each line. So must be after this breaker is after energized, it must have supply proper 220 in each line. Now we will check live voltage. So this contactor is not energized because we are waiting for the delay of the control, because when you energize here, this unit is when you energize here in the outdoor, there's a delay. So you have to check the voltage. Line 1 incoming, line 1, line 2. There is a 18 volts. Line 1, line 3. There is a 10 volts. Line 1, line 3. And line 2, line 3. There is a 14 volts. So 16 to 18 to 22. So must have a power supply here. Line 1, line 2 to 20. Line 1, line 3. Line 1, line 3 bring a to 20 volts. Alright, to 20 volts. So line 2 and line 3 must have 223 volts. So all source having a voltage from here, from the main breaker to the supply voltage. As you can see, this unit is an old units of Coppel. Brand is Coppel. So this is non-inverter powered by the source. The part is contactor, only the capacitor here. Yeah, you can see the capacitor and the compressor. So we will wait until it's running. So we will check here. Check. We must be careful. The line source is line 1, line 3, line 1, line 2. This is incoming source of contactor. Line 1 now energized. Alright. So you can see we can check the amperage, running amperage of this unit. So it's running in 17 ampere in line 1. Line 3 is 14 ampere. 16. And the red is 3. 17 ampere. (17, 16, and 14. 14.9. So this unit is good. running in good condition because the amperage is near in the design of the unit. We have a sticker here. Cooling ampere is 17.4. Running amperage. Now the unit is running now. Here, as you can see before, the fan motor is running in low RPM, but now it's increasing normal RPM. So the problem only is we found here the born motor, the born line connection in line 2. So we will already fix. Now that's the problem of the outer unit. If some of the motor is not running properly, or the compressor is not running because of low voltage. So previous motor cannot run in single phasing. Short. That's all. This is my task today.